Welcome to TechnoLearnAcademy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss check constraint. A check constraint is used to enforce specific conditions on the values that are inserted or updated in a column within a table. Let's understand the check constraint with the help of the given table. In this table, we have to apply one condition that the department name must contain at least 4 words. So in this table, we have 3 columns: e-code, name, and department. And we have to apply a condition that the department name must contain at least 4 words. So we will apply check constraint that the length of the department must be greater than or equal to 4. We can see that we have 3 records and the length of each record is greater than 4. We are trying to insert a new record. The length of the new record UNR is 3 words only. As per the rules, we cannot insert any record where the length of the words are less than 4. So we cannot insert this record because the word count is 3. Let's understand the check constraint with the help of a new table. So we'll create table. Chart and provide the name of the columns and data type. And department. Varchar 20. And now we have to apply the check constants. So we write down check, and within this bracket we can provide the condition. My condition is that the length of the words must be greater than equal to 4. There should be at least 4 words. So write down length of TPT greater than equal to 4. Means at least we should have 4 words. More than or equal to 4 words are allowed. So we will select this statement and click on execute button. And when we refresh the database, expand the table, we can see that we have this table. Now select asterisk from this table. We don't have any records in this table. Let's insert few records. So insert into table name, e-code, name, and department. Values 101, name, and so the length of this word is exactly 4. As per the rules, it should be at least 4. So if we try to insert this value, record inserted successfully. But if we try to insert a new value, where the record if we try to insert a new record where the length of the department word is less than 4, say, so we are trying to insert a new word with 3 length. Select the statement and click on execute button. It is not allowed because we have enforced a condition using the check constraint. So this way we can apply certain conditions on a particular column, and if the condition is met, then only we will be allowed to insert the new record. Otherwise, we are not allowed to insert a new record.